Good morning, sunshine. Ang taas ng sunshine natin, guys. Good morning. Apo init. Halata na parang ano na ngayon. Summer na. Ang taas ng init, guys. At ano ang weather ngayon, guys? Surprising. Early in the morning. Around 20 degrees. Wow, around 20 degrees is weather natin ngayon in the morning. Mamaya it's gonna turn, umabot siya ng 28. I think 29. Wow, it's the first one, guys. First time. Opo, finally, andito na yung inaantay natin. Tapos pag sobrang init, ba't ang init? Pag malamig, ba't ang lamig? Hindi natin alam saan tayo lugar, no? Pero yung the best na talaga, yung the best na weather. Spring at saka guys. Spring saka autumn. That's the best. Opo. Para mga 20 degrees, gano'n. 15 to 20 degrees, then the best weather. Diba? Hindi magwawet ating singit. Alright, it's busy hour, guys. Busy hour. Yung mga halaman is turning green now. Oh, may flower na siya. Ba't nagpa-flower ito? Anong klaseng halaman yan? Nagpa-flower na siya. Opo. It's a garbage day today. And a tulip month. And this coming weekend is a long weekend. It's holiday. It's Victoria Day. Yeah, Victoria Day. It's a long weekend on Monday. So, holiday, no work. But I think I'm still working. I'm still working. Work lang tayo ng work habang may lakas pa. Diba? Pag wala ng lakas, ay, yan na. Hanggang kaya, go, go, go. Diba, guys? Ganun ang buhay. Enjoy pag may time. Grass! Good morning, Grass. Oh, ano nangyari dyan? Nandiyan na yung parking. Para lumusot. Ay, doon. Lumusot siya dyan. Alright, ang gandang panahon, guys. Ang ganda ng panahon. You can see. Wow. Green is finally here. Look at the